Welcome to China Connect, your fun guide to real China. Explore and uncover its intriguing stories. Let's go. Today, we're going to talk about how smart, personalized home appliances are unlocking consumer upgrades in the domestic market. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. China has recently rolled out a series of policies to expand investment, stimulate consumption, and stabilize expectations. As a crucial link in boosting domestic circulation and an important engine, the Central Political Bureau meeting has explicitly stated the need to stimulate major consumption of automobiles, electronic products, and home furnishings. They also aim to promote service consumption, such as sports leisure and cultural tourism. Ren Fujia, president of Boss Appliances, a traditional kitchen appliance company in Zhejiang, views the development of digital kitchen appliances as not only a response to increasing competitive pressure in the traditional home appliance manufacturing industry, especially the kitchen appliance sector, but also a product of the digital and intelligent transformation and upgrade of the manufacturing end. According to Ren, as people's living standards continue to improve, their preferences in home consumption are also changing towards greener, smarter, and more personalized directions. As a company, only by starting from the real needs of consumers and thinking from their usage scenarios can we accurately find the breakthrough point for consumption upgrades and stimulate the vigorous vitality of home consumption, he says. Now let's take a virtual stroll into Boss Appliances' future factory, located in Linping, Hangzhou. As we walk in, a digital cooking joint laboratory catches our eye. User experience engineer Lin Xiaojia is testing the latest version of the unmanned pot with his colleagues. Our road team found that there is a type of user who likes to cook but struggles with complex Chinese dishes, which completely undermines their confidence, Lin explains. To solve this pain point, Boss Appliances launched the industry's first intelligent cooking system, Roki, in 2014, and started to establish the world's largest Chinese cooking curve research library based on this. Roki currently stores more than 3,000 classic Chinese recipes, all of which can be completed with one-click operation. Lin tells us that these recipes aren't just imaginative creations. Each dish had to go through dozens or even hundreds of experiments before being recorded into Roki. We study the taste and nutritional changes of ingredients under different temperatures and cooking methods. Using temperature and time as key data, we transform each dish into a digital curve and continuously improve it based on feedback, Lin reveals. Eventually, it becomes a one-click completion in the consumer's hand. However, the transformation of firms into the digital space isn't as easy as it might seem. Yu Jialiang, the factory director of Boss Appliances' future factory, admits that traditional kitchen appliances focus on hardware innovation, while digital kitchen appliances regard hardware, software, content, service, and ecology as a whole. Both hardware and software need to be well executed. In the past, the ratio of hardware engineers to software engineers at Boss Appliances was only 50-1. In the face of a new round of road competition, enterprises need to make up for their shortcomings in talent, capital, and other aspects to enhance their innovation capabilities, he says. Home consumption, as one of the major consumption contents of residents, covers a series of products such as home appliances, sanitary wares, and decorations. It involves many fields, has a long upstream and downstream chain, and is large in scale and volume. It is an important point of consumption growth. The 14th Five-Year Plan for expanding domestic demand proposed to accelerate the cultivation of new consumption and accelerate the road of intelligent products, including smart homes. For this reason, Zhejiang Province quickly took action to launch a plan, carry out industry chain key core technology attacks, and implement manufacturing industry industrial base reconstruction and industry chain upgrade projects. Among them, the smart home industry chain is listed as one of the 10 iconic industry chains. In order to further promote industrial quality improvement and efficiency, and improve industrial ecological construction, Hangzhou will implement a batch of smart home industry chain, key technology collaborative innovation projects, form upstream and downstream enterprise communities and manufacturing innovation centers, and give priority to key technology road projects, such as high-end dedicated chips, says the main person in charge of Hangzhou Economic and Information Technology Bureau. Only by twisting the upstream, midstream, and downstream into one rope, and boosting the overall leap of the industry chain, can the smart home industry enter a new stage of rapid development. According to a research report by the China Industry Research Institute, the scale of China's smart home market was about 651.56 billion yuan in 2022, and it is expected to reach 715.71 billion yuan in 2023. So there you have it, folks. The future of home appliances is here, and it's smart, personalized, and incredibly exciting. Keep an eye on this space as we continue to explore China's dynamic economy and the exciting trends shaping its future. Just a few days before the Central Political Bureau meeting, the Ministry of Commerce and 13 other departments jointly issued a notice on several measures to promote home consumption, with a focus on greening, intelligent, and aging-friendly home appliances. They proposed 11 measures from 4 aspects: significantly improving the quality of supply, actively innovating consumption scenarios, effectively improving consumption conditions, and striving to optimize the consumption environment. One key to these measures is supporting enterprises in using Internet of Things, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and other technologies to accelerate the road of smart home appliances. Smart security, smart lighting, smart sleep, smart care, smart audio and video entertainment, and other home products. Na Jingdan, CMO of Tuya Smart, notes, the smart home industry connects electronic products and empowers homewares. The series of policies for us can be considered as a double benefit. The consecutive consumption-stimulating measures are like a cardio tonic that has been missing for a long time, which points out the direction for the development of enterprises and adds confidence to deep cultivation. If in the past, Tuya Smart's main application scenarios came from overseas, then under the influence of the pandemic, inflation, and other factors, those overseas users who were willing to spend money for convenience also started a frugal life of holding onto their wallets. Correspondingly, however, is the rapid rise of China's smart home market. So, as we can see, in the face of the rising demand for smart home appliances in China, traditional appliance manufacturers are embracing digital transformation, combining hardware and software technologies to create products that are green, intelligent, and personalized. This move not only reflects the rising living standards of Chinese consumers, but also the country's broader push towards a more digital and sustainable economy. In conclusion, the future of home appliances in China looks bright and innovative, with companies like Boss Appliances and Tuya Smart leading the way. They are not just changing the way we cook and live. They are also reshaping China's economy, one smart appliance at a time. Thanks for joining our China journey. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your questions or ideas below. Let's keep exploring this fascinating nation together. See you in the next video.